Today we're going to learn about the second topic, second exercise. Lastly, what we have learned, whenever we have fractions, somewhat like 5 upon 8 plus 3 upon, then what we used to do, we used to take the LCM. LCM will be 40. Then we used to find out how many times we have to multiply it. So we have to multiply it 5 times. And how many times 5 should be multiplied to make it 40? Multiply by 8 times. This will become 25 plus this will become 24 equals 49 upon 40. Now we have another type of question. Here we call it multiplication. This one is for addition and subtraction, and now we will have for multiplication. For multiplication, just remember, whenever we multiply any fraction with any other fraction, in that case the numerator will be multiplied to numerator and denominator will be multiplied to denominator. This thing you remember, and the rest will be very easy. For an example, we have 3 upon 5 multiplied by minus 7 upon 8. So 3 into 7, numerator will be multiplied by numerator, it becomes minus 21, and 5 into 8 is 40. Let's see another example. We have 18 upon 35 multiplied by minus 3 whole 1 upon 8. In this case also same thing will go on. 18 upon 35 will remain as it is, into minus 3 whole 1 upon 8 can also be written as minus 25 upon 8. So we will directly multiply 18 into 25, 18 into 25, 18 into 25 will become this. Minus sign we can write here also because they are multiplying same number now. 35 into 8. On multiplying we'll get the answer, but here we can do one more thing. We can clearly see the both can be divided by 2. So this comes in the table of 2 4 times, this comes in the table of 2 9 times, this comes in the table of 5 times, this comes in the table of 5 7 times. The both should come in the same table. The both should come in the same table. 18 and 8, they both come in the table of 2. 25 and 35, they both come in the table of 5. So both should be cancelling in the same number, then we can do it. So now we have 9 into 5 whole upon 7 into 4, but this minus sign will remain as it is. So answer is minus 45 upon 28. I hope it is clear. Let's see the next question. Next we have questions to verify. 8 upon 7 multiplied by 9 upon minus 10. Whenever we multiply, just remember, numerator will multiply to numerator, denominator will multiply to denominator. Minus 9 upon 10 multiplied by 8 upon 7. On multiplying it becomes 72, and this will be minus 70, and here it becomes 72 and minus 70. The both are same. Yes, verified. Let's see another question. We have 3 upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 2 multiplied by 5 upon 7 is equals to 3 upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 2 multiplied by 5 upon 7. Here we will do 3 into 1 3, 4 into 2 8 multiplied by 5 upon 7 equals 3 upon 4 multiplied by, it becomes 1 into 5 5, 2 into 7 14. Now 3 5 is 15 upon 56. Here it will be 3 5 is 15, 4 into this 56. Here also it is verified. So LHS and RHS will come same. Let's see another type. Suppose we have 3 into 4 plus 5. Then what we are going to do, we will multiply 3 into 4 plus 5, 9 equals to 27. This can also be done with a property known as distribution property. What does it say? 3 into 4 plus 5. We can also do it like this: 3 into 4 and then 3 into 5. 3 into 4 plus 3 into 5. This will be 12. This will be 15. When you will add this, it is also 27. So either you do it by directly or you do it by distribution method. It gives the same result. So we have some question based on it. 7 upon 4 multiplied by 5 upon 8 plus 1 upon 2. 7 upon 4 multiplied by, firstly this number will be multiplied here, then the same number will be multiplied here. It gives 5 upon 8 plus 7 upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So when we multiply these two, this property is known as distribution property. What we have done, we have distributed this bracket into separate brackets. That's why this property is known as distribution property. 7 5s are 35, 4 into this 32, plus 7 1s are 7, 4 into this 8. So now we have the question of addition of rational numbers. So how to add? Take their LCM. LCM will be 32. How many times you have to multiply? Only one time. 35. How many times you have to multiply here? How many times you have to multiply here? 4 times. It is 28. Add them. This will give us 3 and 6 upon 32. I hope it is clear. Lastly, I told you additive property. In additive property, I told you, suppose it is minus 5, then it becomes minus 5. If it is x, then it becomes minus x. Very easy. 1 upon x, it becomes minus 1 upon x. This is additive inverse. So we have multiplicative inverse. What does it say? If you have 5, it becomes 1 upon 5. If you have x, it becomes 1 upon x. If you have 1 upon x, it becomes x. Additive inverse, it becomes negative. Multiplicative inverse, it becomes reciprocal. Whatever it is, it gets reciprocal. Now we have a question. Find the multiplicative inverse of 13 upon 25. Can you tell me the multiplicative inverse? 25 upon 13. Very tough, no? We have to find out a multiplicative inverse of minus 1 into minus 3 upon 10. So to find out, just remember, firstly it should be a single, not 2 3 numbers. It should be a single number. To find out single, multiply minus 1 minus plus 3 into 1 3 10. So it is now single digit, single number. So to solve to find out the multiplicative inverse of this, it becomes 10 upon 3. Now we have questions for division. Suppose you have to multiply. Suppose you have to do this like 3 upon 7 multiplied by 5 upon 8. What you used to do? You multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So it becomes 15 upon 56. Very easy. But in division, question supposes like this: 3 upon 7 divided by 5 upon 8. Then we have to change this division sign into multiplication. So 3 upon 7 multiplied by 8 upon 5. That gives 24 upon 35. What we have done? Whenever there is a divide sign, it will change into multiply. And the digit after that will get reciprocal. Whatever the number is here, it gets reciprocal. Numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. And the same thing, whatever we done here, the same thing will go on. Numerator will be multiplied to numerator, denominator will be multiplied to denominator, and we'll get the answer. Let's see another question we have. We have minus 24 upon 50 divided by minus 4 upon 75. To solve this, we have to change this divide sign into multiply. Minus 24 upon 50 multiplied by minus 75 upon 4. How it becomes minus 75? Minus sign will remain as it is. It doesn't matter whether you write in numerator or denominator. It will remain same. 4 upon 75 will get changed into 75 upon 4. Now what we are going to do? We will multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. As well as we can also see if something is getting cancelled. So 4 ones are 4 and 4, say in the table of 4 it is not coming, but in the table of 4 this is coming. Only we have to see numerator and denominator, not denominator, denominator multiplies, not cancels. The numerator and denominator will get cancelled. Similarly, 25 2s are 25 3s are. This comes in the table of 25, 25 2s are 50, 25 3s are 75. Now, is there anything else we can get cancelled? Yes, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. This is denominator, this is numerator. They both comes in the table of 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now, is there anything else we can cancel? Only 4 numbers and nothing can be cancelled. So minus into minus plus 3 into 3, 9 upon, here only 1 is left, 1 into 1 is 1, or we can also say 9. I hope it is clear. Let's see another question. We have this question. To solve this question, what we are going to do? 5 upon 9 divided by 15 upon 36. 5 upon 9 divided by 15 upon 36 divided by minus 5 upon 6. So what I told you, whenever there is a divide sign, you have to change it into multiply. So the digit after the division sign, it will get reciprocal. 15 upon 36 becomes 36 upon 15. 5 upon 9 will remain as it is, bracket will remain as it is, only this will going to change. This one also we can change because it is divide sign. So whenever we change this divide sign into multiply, the digit after that will get reciprocal, not sign. Sign will remain as it is, minus 6 upon 5. Now what we can do? Simple multiply. 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 1 into 4, 4, 1 into 3, 3, multiplied by minus 6 upon 5. Anything is getting cancelled? Yes, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. This comes in the table of 2, but it should be multiplied, not cancelled. So 4 into it becomes 8 and 5 1s are 5, and sign will remain as it is.